and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mohit Chaudhary, and I have started a new YouTube channel and it's active since past 3 months. And today, once again, I have one more gadget with me, and from the box you may be able to distinguish what it is and recognize it. And so I'm going to unbox it right now. So let's get into it. So here we have our Tripod 3110 tripod, and it's about 1020 mm and 350 mm while closed, and 420 gram its weight. It's even less than half a kg, and so let's open it. Here we have our mobile phone holder. So it's 2-in-1. We can fit a camera as well as a mobile phone on this tripod. So here it is. Its build quality is so beautiful, really. It's made of aluminium body, and the black material is made up of good quality plastic. And so it's quite lightweight because it's made up of aluminium, and we can open its legs, and so it would be like this. So as you all can see, just a second, here we close all our after that we can also put it here. So it's probably 4 feet, I think so. So it's 4 feet, and after the mobile holder is installed, it's even more than 4 feet. So it's easy to use, portable, and see how long it is. The last legs are quite weak, so I can't rely upon them. But in such a cheap rate, it's incredible, really. So I would be using these for my future videos, and otherwise I would be using in my previous videos I was using a Jugaad technology like that, and I was keeping the camera on my bed and giving support from other sides. But now I have a tripod, so it would be easier for me to shoot other videos. So coming on to its price, I bought it from Amazon, and I also bought a microphone, 3.5mm jack wired microphone along with this. So that video I will mention it here and even in the description below. So here it is. See how compact it becomes. So here also we have a bubble to see according to gravity. You can see here, and to see the real level. So I bought it from Amazon along with my microphone. So the microphone costed me around 150 to 200 rupees, and this one costed me around 300 to 350 rupees. And in such a cost, it's the best one I will. And I will also mention its details in the description below, and also its buying link of Amazon. So do check it out, and do comment how did it look like to you, is it good or not. And thank you so much, and I will meet you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.